Hey, grade 7s, this is your tutorial video for iMovie assignment number 1. So this assignment's all about helping you get to know iMovie, get you familiar with how it works and what it is. Some of you may have used it and that's great. For others, you may not have and you will get familiar with it in this assignment. So you're going to be creating a video about your favorite hobby. So you can probably draw on the experiences that you've already had with assignments in this course, because we've done a few things with that topic already. So you need to include many images that are properly cropped. It has to be fitting audio files, kind of in the background, the music. There has to be titles and subtitles, and I'll show you what all this means. Consistent transitions and appropriate pacing. This video in particular is going to be for specifically step 1, and that is create a folder on your desktop to store your images for this assignment. That's the first thing I'm going to show you how to do. So I want you to open up your Finder window down here, and then down here in the white, go New Folder, and entitle it iMovie Files. Now over here, you can create another one, another new folder, and call it Assignment number 1. And while you're at it, you might as well create a file called Assignment number 2, because there's 2 iMovie assignments. Okay, so that's the first thing. Open up your computer. Create a folder on your desktop, store the images. Now, what you need to do is go to Google and start finding appropriate images. So you all know how to do that. You open up a tab, whatever your hobby is. Let's say mine is dirt biking. I will Google that, and I will just start getting images. So I really like that image. Looks pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to save image as. So how I did that, I'll go back a step, is I right-clicked. So on your mouse, right-click, save image as. And now where we're going to put it is we're going to actually find that folder that we created, iMovie Files, Assignment 1, and dirt bike, wallpaper. So you might have to rename this. So dirt bike, and I'm going to put sand. So I know what that is. Okay, click out of it. See what else we have here. Put images. Let's see here. I like that one. That was pretty cool. Actually, I ride a Kawasaki though, so I'm going to use this one. So copy image. Save image as. Assignment 1. I'm going to call it Cowie because I ride a Kawasaki dirt bike. And so you're just going to go through and you're going to find the images that you need. And appropriately name them, save them, get the ones that you want, and until you have a lot, because you need quite a few for this project. So there's really no limit to the images you can find for this. Okay, so once you've done that, let's go back to our. So we've got the images. Now you go and find a fitting audio track. So what you can do is go to YouTube, okay, and you might just type in dirt biking music, or if you already know of something, that might be okay, but let's check this one out here. It's 4 minutes 36 seconds, so that's pretty good. And this is just somebody set up. Okay, so that's going to be a good one, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. So right click, copy, and then I'm going to go to a website called youtubemp3.org. So if you need to pause it, type that in, that would be great. And then paste that right there. So paste that right there in the thing. convert video, and it's going to process it for you. I'm going to turn this off in the background. Go back to this tab. So it's processing it. So I'll be able to download it here in a second. And notice I'm using Chrome, so Chrome's very good to use. Okay, so it'll download it for you. And then once it's processed, then it'll give you a little download symbol that you want to click download. So you have that audio file, and you'll want to put that audio file actually in your iMovie's files. So you might even want to create a new folder, iMovie files, and then create this called music or audio or whatever you want to call it. But that's where we'll put it. Still converting. So once it does that, you just download it. And so download, and then you can then take and move your file over. And you should be able to just drag and drop it once it's finished there. Nine seconds left. Okay. Just waiting for it. 8 seconds. It's going to take a little bit, but once you get it, you'll be happy with it. Okay, so it's right there. I should just be able to drag and drop it. And there it is, MP3. And it should play. Yep. Okay. So there it is. So that's great. Okay, so we have all those things done. And that, folks, is step 1.